our online assembly leaders. Good morning, Carmel Elementary students, teachers, and I think I can see some parents here. Good morning, everyone. I'm very excited to see you all this morning online. You know why? Because now I can see your smile. No mask. Show me your smile. I want to see your smile. Yes, I want to see. Oh, wow. Teachers as well. Beautiful. Beautiful screen. Wow. So I think now we can start our online learning with all these big smiles. Okay, so students, I know that you are not at BRC now or Shaki 1 campus and you are at home, but we are going to carry on our learning. Your teachers are not going to change what they plan to teach you, but only how to teach you. Only the way is going to change. Instead of face-to-face, it will be online. During the last few days, your teachers planned and prepared some interesting and fun online activities for you to support your learning. Thank you, homeroom teachers, teacher assistant, specialist teachers, admin staff, caretakers. Thank you, everyone, for all your hard work. So, students, I think that you have all the things that you need to succeed. You have the best teachers. You have iPads from school. You have parents to support you. And most importantly, you have yourself. And we know that you might feel a little nervous about going back to online learning. We understand, and we are here to help. Let's take it one day at a time. We really believe that e-learning is a good opportunity for you to lead your learning, to be a leader of yourself, of your learning. Please believe in yourself, in your skills, in your abilities,